that's me listening to some music. I did not make this music. Other people made it. Okay, so let's go on Minecraft, and you guys read this, okay? Guys, read this. I'm probably gonna crash. Ah, Jesus Lord! Look at that hole! We did it. We destroyed this area. Oh, everything's gone except the bedrock. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you did, smash that like button down below. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos by me. Share this video with your friends. Make sure to check out Natalie Does Games. She does awesome videos. And yeah, hope to see you next time with another video. Peace out.